I can't hear you.
Good. Is there any particular reason you're doing it?
Huh?
Is there any particular reason you're doing it?
I can't hear you.
Is there any particular reason that you're doing it?
Yeah. I want to go to the clerk's office.
You want to go to the clerk's office?
Yeah.
Clerk's office right over there to your left.
Awesome. Thank you. I was wanting to. It's my first time here, so I'm not familiar with
it's
it.
just, you know, when you come in, you see somebody doing it, you just want to ask questions. That's all.
Cool. All right. Thank you.
Good.
Right there, buddy. I remember that.
My thoughts is that Tim Martin, she don't care how it's done. I'm not even relaxed. I will put on whatever I need to do, push play, throw it down, go back to it. You just want you to get done. You get a system that's done. Anybody that wants to do it.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
I appreciate it. Thank you.
Anybody can see that. Well, I got the copies, so.
I was supposed to meet my fiance here to apply for a marriage license. Okay. Thank you.
And I'm getting money. Thanks for the phone. Okay? Good. All right. Got it? Okay. I got it. No. The pen is still in my box.
Hi, I'm here to file for a marriage license. My fiance's not here yet. Would I be able to start it now, or no? You have to wait till both of us are here. Okay. Courthouse, and we're supposed to get married June 25th.
Are you in
I believe so.
One never knows.
Oh, I won't be long. I just need
Yes.
one Freedom of Information
I did,
request
she
form.
did.
Okay,
But-
so then we'll just wait for her to.
All right, that's fine. All right, thank you.
I need one Freedom of Information request form.
I don't know if we have them here.
Don't have a.
Hi.
Okay, what can we help you with?
I would like to order a death certificate for genealogical purposes
Okay.
from 1906.
All right, go over to that counter, pull out the green form, and then come back to the window, please. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. So I hope you're not filming.
What's that?
Is it filming? We're not allowed to film in here.
Are you sure?
Yeah, 100%. I'm sorry, my colleague just informed me.
Oh, well, here's the thing. You guys literally have a copy of the Constitution of the United States right over there on the wall, and I'm engaged in a constitutionally protected activity, so you guys might want to get that worked out.
I'll get that for you, but if you kindly stop filming, that'd be nice.
No, I just told you.
So, if...
I can't hear you.
Turn the camera off. Kindly turn the camera off.
Okay, what's your name?
The name is Shaka.
I can't hear you.
I will write it down for you.
Please do. Okay. Could you write down that other woman's name? Because I mean, I couldn't understand her other than the whole cut it off part. Thank you.
You're welcome, sir.
Are you guys going to get that form for me?
I think my colleague's looking into it. I did ask her, and I think she's looking into it.
Okay.
Yeah. So you can kindly, if it's okay, stand aside. I can help the next customer.
Okay.
Birth certificates, so I get those here? Sure.
First off, what's your name?
My name's Adam Johnson.
I'm Kent. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Okay, I just had 2 employees tell me to turn my camera off.
Okay.
I'm a journalist engaged in a constitutionally protected activity, and you guys
Okay.
literally have a copy of the Constitution less than 20 feet away from me.
Okay.
Posted on the wall. I expect everybody in this building to respect that document
Okay.
and the activities that it's entailed.
Okay.
I came here to ask for a simple Freedom of Information request form,
Okay.
and now it's going to go further than that. So I
Okay,
just
well,
need
I can get you a FOIA form.
Okay, that'd be great. Thank you.
Let me go get that for you.
So, where on when are you planning to get married? Where is it?
Where? It's in Calvary Church, Nepepe, but it's DuPage.
Have you completed the online application?
Yeah.
Right. You have to
No.
That's fine. Give me a second. I think there's a marriage. There is a marriage already going on at the moment.
Okay.
So once they finish, I'll put it in. No, please take a seat.
Okay, thank you.
What was I supposed to hospital? No. On my birth certificate, were you married a senior or you already married to Ed? Okay. That's it. That's all I need.
He died in 1906. I'm a genealogist, and so I'm working for the great-great-grandson, Jim Tree. I thought it was 5. Because it doesn't have to be certified or anything. You know, it's just for family history.
Sweet.
There you go.
Thank you very much.
You have a good one.
You too.
So you. Is your cage cracked?
No, it's like a rubber case. It's dark green and it has a black circular magnet on the back. The iPhone is dark green. The case is made clear rubber. And on the back of it is a circular black magnet.
I just need 2 employee complaint forms.
We don't have employee complaints there.
You don't? How would I make a complaint against an employee?
There's what department do they work in?
The clerk's office downstairs, first floor.
We don't even hire for them.
Oh, you don't? Okay, sorry. I figured human resources is a logical place to come to. Do you think I should just go back down there and ask them? Because I honestly, the 2 employees I'm complaining against are the ones working the window, and I'd rather not instigate anything with them.
There's an elected official office, and it's Jean Kazmarek is the elected official.
Okay.
That oversees everyone there, so maybe want to
Try and contact her somehow? Okay. And she's the clerk?
Right.
Awesome. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay.
I'll wait for him. Oh, hello. Are you waiting for me?
I think so. I'm Evan Shields.
I'm Kent. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. Who are you with?
I am with Citizen Standpoint News. I'm owner-operator, so I'm an independent journalist.
Okay.
I came in here to get a simple Freedom of Information request form, take a look around the county building, and then move on to my next one.
Okay.
What I'm looking for is untrained employees, and I found a couple. The county clerk's office, there's their names. There's 2 of them, and they wrote their names down because I couldn't hear anything through that glass down there. Okay, you have a copy of the Constitution on the wall less than 20 feet away from them. I'm engaged in a First Amendment protected activity, and I'm requesting a simple paper FOIA form. It's not asking much. I'm not very provocatory. I could have said all sorts of stuff. I want to know how would I go about filing a complaint against those 2 employees to make sure that the education sticks.
In terms of filing a complaint
Yeah.
against employees, am I being recorded right now?
Always.
Do you mind if we turn it off?
I would rather not because of what just happened down there, because it would be my word versus yours, and I'm not going that route. I'd prefer honest witness.
Okay. Well, I would personally prefer not to be on camera with anything that I say. I'm not trying to hide anything. I don't want to be seen as my words being, I guess, gospel, if that makes sense. Like, I don't want it to be viewed as I'm officially speaking on behalf of the county.
Okay.
So if you don't mind, I'd just like it to be.
I gotta leave it on, man. It's part of what I do.
Okay.
I'm just wanting to know what's the process to file a complaint against a public employee.
And honestly, I don't know what that process is.
Okay.
This has never come up for me before.
Really?
You're the first person that's ever asked me that. So
Oh, wow.
I would have to look it up, to be completely honest with you.
Well, I went to the Human Resources Department first. That seemed like the logical place to go if you have a complaint with a county employee. It's the people that are responsible for hiring them, correct?
Yes.
So they didn't have a clue either. So that's why I'm trying to get to the bottom of it is how? How does someone file a complaint?
Sure. And I'll just say, we are responsible basically for employees that fall under the county board jurisdiction.
Okay.
The county clerk is not under county
Gotcha.
board
Separate elected official.
Exactly. So she technically does not use our HR office or our communications people either. So
Complain directly to the clerk would probably be the...
That would be a good place to start, I think.
Okay.
Unfortunately, that's the best answer I've got for you.
Thank you. You get different answers every government that you go to, and you ask these questions, and that's why I do what I do, is because the citizens are basically confused. They don't know either. And I think they should know. They should be educated on it, you know. You have a beautiful county building. I wish there wasn't a contradiction down there. You have a wall that says Freedom Wall, if I recall correctly, down there. Or, yeah, I think it said Freedom Wall. And then listing literally the First Amendment right in the center. And then you have paid public employees right next door trying to violate people's civil rights. You can see how there's a contradiction there.
I understand.
Yeah. So that's all I wanted. I don't want to put you on the spot or anything.
I appreciate that.
Yeah, my viewers are definitely not going to like seeing that type of behavior down there, and then no way to rectify that issue other than talk with the elected official. So I'm looking for a way to write something down, because here's the other option. I can sue. I can actually sue the county. Okay, I don't want to go that route. I really don't. I'm not a sue happy guy, but if I don't have a process in order to make sure that that county employee doesn't do that again, because if I have to come back here in 2-3 months and I cruise through and those same employees do that to me again, it will be a lawsuit. And I'm not lying, I'm not threatening, it's just a fact. I will sue for that because I've already been here once before. And basically trying to get them to come around to respect the First Amendment right to record. It's a public space, we're a public building. Just a heads up, you're right here. If you wanted this to actually be restricted here, you might want to actually take that all the way over to the wall. Just a heads up. And because I can legally walk back there right now, even despite that signage, because there's no physical barrier there. But just trying, I'm being nice.
No,
I know you mean. I'm a serious individual about it. I know my stuff, and I know I can walk right by that. A lot of the doors I see open around here that may or may not be restricted access, but their door is wide open, so I can walk in. And then if I walk into that office, like here, you have key card access right there, but human resources, it looked like I could walk around the entire human resources office. And the big window they had up front didn't look like they had a place to deal with citizens when they walked up to the window. So you might want to give them a heads up on that. That's not, you have to be very specific about what's restricted, okay?
Okay.
And there needs to be a physical barrier there as well. So you need signage and a barrier. Just my opinion.
Okay.
But I'm pretty well read on the matter.
It sounds like it, yeah.
I get arrested a lot, so I have to talk to a lot of judges and attorneys and stuff like that. So I do know what I'm doing. I'm not trying to be provocatory, but the contradiction downstairs was a bit much because I wouldn't be up here walking around your county building had they just given me the FOIA form and not said anything to me. I would have walked out and moved on, but now I'm going to take a tour because if I can find that right next to the Freedom Wall, what else am I going to find?
Sure.
Make sense?
I understand.
Yeah. So anyway, thank you for your time. I apologize for talking your ear off.
No worries.
I didn't ask you too many questions or anything.
No,